I'm Megan Torrance with Torrance Learning, and we love TechTwilight. We came to the very first TechTwilight some years ago, and we first came in order to meet other companies, specifically prospective clients. What we found when we got here was that it was a whole lot of fun. We get to bring our kids and our families, and they get to see what we do in a place that they find fun and familiar and engaging. We love finding out what other companies are doing. We get to meet prospective clients. We get to meet prospective partners on fun projects and just get inspired by all the really fun things that are happening in the area. We also get to play in the museum after hours, which is even better. The museum puts on a great night. There are activities and workshops for the kids, so they go off and have a great time. There's great food, there's a band, there's all sorts of really fun ways to connect with the museum. Every year my company and a few of the other companies bring something that we then give to the museum as part of the event. What's really great about TechTwilight is it helps connect the organization to the museum and the community in a way that's really attractive to companies, to employers, to prospective employees, and the whole economic ecosystem of what's going on. We're teaching and inspiring young engineers and scientists and artists and feeding that pipeline going forward and getting kids excited in a way that is really good for our businesses long term and the museum long term. And a lot of friendships have started with the museum through this event, between companies that are doing fun things and the museum that's just an inherently fun place to be.